Hey guys, we're going to learn the Pixies song Where Is My Mind today. Really great song. It's been in lots of amazing films as well, like Fight Club. I think it's in Train Spotting as well. One of my favorites. One, when I first heard it as a teenager, was really amazing song. So we're going to go through that today. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you where you can get all the tabs and stuff. Right, so first step is to find a guitar. Okay, that's a good start. So it has got a couple of bar chords in it. Now if you're not happy with bar chords, then you can use a capo, but you'll still have to do one bar chord, okay, which is the F, but you can do the mini F, which is helpful. But I'll just tell you what the chords are to start with. So the first one is E major. Okay, so you can either play it like that, or you can play it up here in the A shape. Well, we'll just start down here at E major, okay? Next we've got C sharp minor. So that's the A minor shape barred on the 4th fret. Then we've got a G sharp major, which is the E major shape barred on the 4th fret. And then an A chord, which is the 2nd fret of these 3 strings. And you could play the bar chord, if you know how to do bar chords, on the 5th fret, and it kind of does this on and off thing, and so you kind of can lift your fingers on and off. So those are the 4 chords. You can play it like that, and the other way you can play it is the capo's on the 4th fret, okay? And you can play the C chord, then the A minor, then the E major, but then you're playing the F, which you could play as a mini F if you would like to. Kind of fits in with the lead a little bit. Sort of. With the capo you can't quite get the lead perfect, but okay, so those are your 4 chords. Let's talk about the rhythm now. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so it kind of goes down, 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 up, and does a fast down, up. So it does a couple of extra strums for the A shape, the A chord, whether you're playing it down here or up here or here. So it kind of goes dun, 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 dun. Oh, sorry, wrong. So down, down, da, da, down, da, da, down. Okay, so that's kind of how it goes. So hopefully that's straightforward. So really slow it down. So next we have the lead part. This is arguably slightly easier than the chords. The chords are a little bit tricky, especially if you don't know any bar chords, but you can do the mini F, so I guess that makes a difference. So So we're going to be on the 5th fret of the B string, which is the 2nd thinnest, and we're going to be on the 4th fret of the thinnest. And we play that 4 times, so 5th fret, then 4th fret. Okay, then we play the 4th fret for both of the thinnest strings. Then we play the 5th fret of the B string, and we kind of strum the bottom 2, and we kind of move our 5th from the 5th fret to the 4th, and then back to the 5th. So. Okay, so pause the video if that was too fast, but that kind of appears throughout the whole song. Then the chorus, I think all the instruments come out more or less, apart from the drums, and then it keeps coming back in. Okay, and then the last bit, so we've got the solo, which is all based around I would say the B minor. It's probably the easiest, B minor pentatonic. It's all kind of those sorts of notes. I don't know if it is exactly the B minor, but the notes seem to fit really well with the B minor pentatonic scale, which is 7-10, 7-9, 7-9, 7-9, 7-10, 7-10, and then it kind of spills over into 10-12. So it does this bend, which is a bit tricky on the acoustic guitar. Kind of does this, which is not really working on this acoustic. But if you are able to do it, it's the 7th fret of the B string, the 9th fret of the G string, 3rd string, and you bend the 9th. So you can see how much I'm bending it and it's still not catching the note. So maybe I need to do the next fret. Yeah, so I have to do the next fret, but technically it's the 9 that you bend up to this note here, the 7th, the 11th fret. So I can do it personally, the acoustic from the 10th, I can bend it up to the 11th fine, but technically it's the 9th. So it kind of goes. Okay, so you can do the bends twice, and then you play the 7th twice, then the 9 of the G string. But you don't have to do the exact notes. You can go like this, bends twice. Does this kind of bluesy 9th to the 7th on the G string, and then the 9th of the D string, okay? And then it goes 7-9 on the G string, and then the 7th fret of the B string, which then slides up to the 10th fret of the B string, then the 12th fret of the B string, then the 10th fret of the E string, 12th fret of the E string, and then it does some little bends on the 14th fret, and then it goes back into and starts singing again. So not quite the same effect on the acoustic guitar, but there you go. So the structure of the song starts with the introduction, and this lead, the lead here, goes through a lot of the song. Okay, it goes all through the verse, it comes out of the chorus kind of comes to just drums for a bit, then it goes to the verse again, then the chorus again, then it does the solo, back to the verse, then the chorus, and then it has the outro. So really great song. If you want the tabs for it, go check out my link underneath, richseatguitar.net, and everything will be there for you, so you can go step by step. But hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care, bye.